Everything is haram. If Allah made zina haram, He made marriage halal. If Allah made alcohol haram, He made thousands of other drinks halal. If Allah made music haram, He gave you the Quran. If Allah made pork haram, He gave you hundred of other foods, fruits, vegetables, and the halal meat. If Allah made silk and gold haram for men, He gave them many other things to dress and beautify themselves. Cotton, polyester, and many others. If Allah forbade women to expose their beauties to anyone other than their mahram, He ordered them to beautify themselves for their husbands, which creates more love and affection in the relationship. Never can you say everything is haram. Only a few things are haram, and the blessings are too many to count. The hikmah, wisdom of Allah is great because many things that we think are not bad result is making people fall into haram, which we all want to avoid as Muslims. Jazakallahu khair.